Alright, so here's a video of my Bryant Legacy gas furnace starting up with a Flir camera. You can see the thermal with the thermal camera. You can see the burners kicking on. It's like really hot. That thing on the side, the water heater, that's the glowing thing on the side is the water heater, and that is really hot right now. So yeah, and yeah, we're gonna start it up. You can see the burners kicking on. Also, my hand's really hot. You can see it right here. There's my hand right here. Hi guys. Yeah, thermal camera. It'll look really cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go start it up. You can also see it through the ducts as well. Obviously, they don't quack. All right. Anyways, let's start it up. Here's the inducer going. Oh, yep, you can already see the pilot light heating it. Oh, there goes the burners. This is my favorite part. Let's watch this. Oh, I see some heat right there. I see some heat right there. Ready for the blow? Wait for it. Wait for it. Is the blower gonna heat it up? And there goes the blower. But is it gonna start getting hot? Let me take it off the phone holder. All right. So here's a. Oh my God! Wait, it's actually. Look at the vent. Wait, look at the vent right here. Look how hot it is. It's already hot. It's already like blazing. Oh. It looks like hot. Wait. And then there's the burners. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Let me go right here. Oh, look at that heat. Yeah. It's kind of crazy, huh? There's the vent right there that's extremely hot, and then there's the water heater right there that's blazing hot as well. Anyways, that looked pretty cool. Over and out. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys. Over and out.